In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your BOTE Pay password. First, let's start by opening the BOTE app. On your device, locate the BOTE icon. It usually looks like a speech bubble or chat symbol. This is where all your communication takes place. Once you tap on the icon, the app will launch. You may be asked to log in if you are not already signed in. This is a normal security measure to keep your information safe. So make sure you enter your credentials accurately to gain access to your account. Once you are in, look for the option labeled Me. This option is typically found at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tapping on Me takes you to your personal profile and settings. Here, you can manage various aspects of your BOTE experience. It's important to navigate to this section because it contains all the settings you need for your account management. Next, tap on Payment Settings. After selecting Me, you will see a variety of options related to your profile. Payment Settings is where you manage your payment preferences and security details. This step is crucial because it ensures that your payment methods are secure and up to date. Once you tap it, you will be directed to a new screen that displays your payment options and settings. Now look under the Security section. This section is designed specifically for managing your security features, including your passwords. It is important to pay attention to this area since maintaining strong security is essential for protecting your financial information. Once you find the Security section, you will see various options related to your account's safety. Next, tap on Security and Password. This option allows you to view and edit your security settings further. It is here that you can change your payment password, which is the focus of today's tutorial. Selecting this option will lead you to the area where you can reset your password, ensuring that your transactions remain secure. After that, tap on Reset Payment Password. This is the section that will initiate the password reset process. Tapping this option is critical because it leads you to the steps required to create a new password. You will be prompted to follow a series of steps that verify your identity and secure your account. Now, enter the verification code sent to your phone. You should receive a text message with a unique code shortly after initiating the reset. This step is vital for confirming your identity. Make sure to check your messages and input the code accurately. This verification adds an extra layer of security and ensures that only you can reset the password. Then, enter your full name and Emirates ID information. This information helps to verify your identity further within the BOTE system. It is important to provide accurate information to avoid any delays in resetting your password. Ensure everything is filled out correctly before moving on to the next step. Next, create a new 6-digit payment password. This password should be unique and not easily guessable. It is important to choose a password that you can remember but is also secure enough to protect your account. Think of combinations that are personal to you but not obvious to others. Finally, confirm the new password to finish the reset. This step ensures that you have entered the password correctly. It is a crucial final check to prevent any mistakes. Once you confirm, you will see a message indicating that your password has been successfully reset. Now you can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a secure payment method on BOTE.